Hello everybody and welcome to the trade of the day for the 11th of October, and today I'm going to be showing you a buy trade on our daily candles on the UK oil instrument. So diving straight into it, as we can see we have this big green circle here. What this is, it's part of the sniper strategy here at Trendsignal. This is telling you that there's a potential turning point in the market, so that's one potential entry there. But what we need to do really is find out, is this a longer term turning point? Is it a local turning point as we expect it to go back in the direction it's gone over, as Jeremy said, a longer term cycle? So the way we do this is we look at the trend finder and the momentum indicators on the side. And as we can see on this particular candle there where the trade opened, the weekly and the monthly momentum is in a bearish direction. So we're buying into a market that over the longer term has been falling. So now what we found that, well, what we're essentially expecting is that this kind of short-term play is going to bounce back up to the middle of that price channel, and we're going to go back into that longer-term trend later on. Now we found that, all we need to do is go on to the TradeMate feature, select the candlestick in question, and fill in the details as you can see in front of you. So the indicators that we use here are the D1 strategy, that's the end of day one. We have the S4 and the S5, which are the shorter term strategies. So we're selecting D1. The strategy we're using is against the trend. We're going long in a bearish market. We're going long. The ATR is taken from here. It's populated as standard. It's 1.79643. Now the broker you select, we're going to use standard, but you can choose whatever you use. That takes your spreads into account, and then enter your account size to make sure you're staking an appropriate amount per pip. So as you can see, we have the stop loss of 56.02500, the take profit of 60.45000. So looking at the open of this candle and the close of this candle, as you see in the C value just here, 59.45. The take profit was 60.45. So we're looking at 100 pips of profit on this one particular trade. So we entered on the close and on the open, and we came out at 64.5. We can find it on the charts here, just about here. So as you can see, we didn't time the top of that perfectly, but what we've done is we've taken a safe amount of pips. We've come out of 100 pips, and we're waiting for a better time to re-enter that market as it goes back towards its longer term trend. If you want to find more trades like this, we're taking about 45 of these a month. This one trade alone at £3 per pip, 100 pips, you're looking at making about £300. £300 on one trade is great. We're looking at making about 45 per month. Now, we host a couple of free webinars here at Trendsignal. One of them is today. We're doing that at 12:30. We're going to go through how we identified this trade, the tools and the techniques that we use, and obviously give you a chance to speak to people like myself and some of the other traders here. I hope to speak to you soon.